everyone, and thanks for joining me today for what's in my Aliexpress basket. I thought I would do things a little bit differently today. So I like to know what you think to this new way of doing it. I thought I would actually show you through my laptop what's actually in my basket so that I can show you the items in a bit more, more description and show you the images a bit better, and have a little nosy round my basket. Excuse me, I've not been very well the last couple of days, but I still had time to shop. So the first thing in my basket is this gorgeous tag set. Now, before I continue, all of the links to these items will be in the description below if you want to purchase them. I had a bit of a binge on this particular store here, Hero store. They have some fantastic dies in here, and this one is particularly gorgeous. It is a stitched edged tag set, and I love the examples here that they show. And there are 6 tags here, £2.08 plus 27 pence postage to the UK. So this is why I wanted to show you this way, because I thought it might give you a better sort of view at the products, and just give you a little bit more information. So this is a square lace background die, £3.46 and free shipping. Now what I love about this particular die is it's huge by the looks of it, and you also get all of these dies in here. So if you only wanted to use the outside edge, you could. If you wanted to use the middle one, you could just use that by itself, or the little tiny lattice one in the center. So you have lots of options with this particular die. Just gorgeous. Okay, now obviously Christmas is coming, and if you're like me, leaving cards till the last minute, this die is fantastic because you could make some really quick and easy cards very super fast. It's a lovely Christmas tree in a window with a window background scene, and it's just lovely. £2.77 plus 27 pence postage. I have a couple of Christmas things in my basket. I do have some Christmas cards made up, but I still have some that I still need to do. Right, so this one is a square lace background die. It's £2.77 plus 27 pence. And again, you've got a couple of dies in here. I thought I could use this as a lacy pocket in one of my journals. So that's that one. I thought what we could do afterwards as well is have a little nosy around this shop so I can show you some other things that they have in there. It's always good to have a look. There's lots of things in the shop I want. This is a great wedding card. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. It's big, really big, and it is the bride and the groom, and it is super lovely, and you wouldn't need much else on this card. £5.55 plus £1.87 postage to the UK. I don't know what the postage would be anywhere else in the world, but I would presume it's going to be pretty similar. This one is just super fast to make these lovely pockets, either for your journals, or you can use it for little gift cards. £1.80 plus 27 pence. So look how easy and quick they would be to cut out several in one go. And then another Christmas one. This is a Christmas background again. It has the Santa and his sleigh, and these lovely scene on the bottom. It also says "Believe in the magic." And again, very quick. You wouldn't even need a sentiment on that one. That one's already done for you. £2.95 plus 27 pence postage. another background. Now there's two versions here. I already have one. This square one here I already have, but I'm ordering this one, which looks like that. And they are, that particular one is, it doesn't say. Oh wait, okay, so it's either £2.08 or £2.77. I'm not quite sure which one that is. I think that my one is £2.08, I believe, and 27 pence postage. But again, you've got a couple of different dies in here. This is lovely as well. This is a heart circle die, and it's just very, very pretty. Again, very fast to do and put on your projects. Love it. It's just pretty, pretty, pretty. And that's £2.08 plus 27 pence. I could have gone mad in this shop, let me tell you. Then they have this window die, great big huge windows, and then you could put, so these would be great for invites, wedding invitations, or just pretty, pretty cards. £2.49 plus 27 pence. You could actually put that on the front of a journal and have a picture behind it. That would be super cool, wouldn't it? Okay, and then another Christmas one, which is this Christmas houses, street scenes, village scenes. Now you get several dies in here, so you don't have to use all of them. This card shows using all of the examples, which looks lovely, but you could actually separate them and use them individually. £2.26 plus 27 pence. Doing it this way actually gives me the opportunity to natter a bit more and tell you a bit more about the things and what I want to do with them. This is lovely. This is a princess crown, and look at the example. It would be super cool on journals, scrapbooking. You could put it on Project Life cards with photos. Oh, it's just adorable. 87 pence plus 27 pence postage. But I love the example that they've used with this little girl on the front and a bow and a happy birthday, just to show you how fast it would be to make a card. And then I have another Christmas sort of themed, whoops, if I can get my mouse to go down there. These are ice skates. This is a super cheap one, 69 pence plus 27 pence postage. And these would be great for just little cards, wouldn't they look? Just lovely. I love the flowered paper they've used, and then put thread up them. Look, these little laces. Aren't they cute? Just cute, cute, cute. So let's have a quick look at this store and other products that they sell. They do have a lot of yummy things in here. Lots of Christmas things, nice edge dies, frames, bows. This is called the square door. I had a look at this, and this is something I might get at a later date. Look. Aren't they cute? They're adorable. Excuse me. I also should have had this in my basket as well. I do not know what happened. Did I not have that in my basket? I should have had that in my basket. I do not know what is going on. This is a gorgeous set of edges, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in there for £1.38 plus 27 pence. It just shows you all of the different ones there. But look, I think this store is very inexpensive. Look at this wedding silhouette one here. This gorgeous butterfly and flower edge. Look at this. This is one I must get actually, because my son-in-law loves stags. I know it's a reindeer, but it's the same thing. I love this. And look at the rabbits. Oh no, I shouldn't have looked. And the rainbows. Oh, I do like this. Oh no, what did I go and have another look for? And then you've got snowmen and Santa. So do take a look in this seller's store, because they do have lots and lots of things. So if we go back up to the top, if I can do this, they have lots of products in different categories there. Let's have a look at the boxes, have a little nosy. You can have a nosy with me. Oh, I actually have this one, and I have this one, and I have this one already. So I have, oh yeah, this is the bag topper. So if you like making little happy mail, this is a really cute bag topper. Very cute. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and a little tour as to what's in my Aliexpress basket for now. Anyway, I'm sure I'll be back later with more things to show you. Hope you've enjoyed this new way of showing you it. Just let me know and just tell me what you think. Don't forget, you can click on the description in the video below to purchase any of these products and have a look at the shop, the seller, and let me know what you think. So take care for now. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye.